Snackbar message. Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about the Snackbar message. Now, okay, before you start going to the obvious, like I wanted to, the Snackbar message is a message method to, well, impart information, not wisdom, just information to the user. So it kind of looks like a toast message, but it's a little different. So it's displayed at the bottom of the device screen, and it has a close button in order to close the message whenever the user wants. So let's have a look at it in Android Studio. And of course, you know by now that we have an Android project here, and I'll just continue building this project. But before we start to create the Snackbar message, I want to show you how it's going to work. So when I click the OK button, it'll display on the bottom of the screen, and when I click the Close button, it will close, right? So in here, this is the message that is what we call the Snackbar message. So you can give a message to the user here. You can see the difference between the toast message and the Snackbar message here. So in the toast message, the message is shown, and after a while it disappears. Also, the user cannot close the toast message. But in the Snackbar message, the user can close the message whenever the user wants. All right, so let's create a Snackbar message. It's pretty similar to the toast message. There's not much on the design page, and we will create it on the Java side. So what will we do? Okay, so let's say that when the user clicks the OK button, the Snackbar message will display. And to do this, I'll just add a click listener to the OK button. All right, so after this, we need to do one more thing. We need to define where we will show this Snackbar message. And let's just show it on the main activity layout and on the linear layout. So I'll need to define the linear layout on the Java side. Now to do this, I'll need to give an ID to the linear layout. Of course, I've done this before, and the ID is linear. But also, I define linear layout on the Java side with this ID, and its name is linear layout. Okay, so after I do that, I'm ready to create the Snackbar message. And what will I write here? OK.set on click listener, new view on click listener, and I will create a Snackbar message inside the onClick method. And I'll just write snackbar.make. It'll take 3 parameters inside the parentheses. So let's see, for the first one, that's where I will show this message. And I want to show it in a linear layout. So I will write here, linear layout. The second one is message. So I will write my message inside the quotation marks. The message is, how about this is a Snackbar message. And the third one is how much time the message will be displayed for. So here it gives you 3 alternatives: long, short, and indefinite. So in the long and short, the message will disappear after a while. But in the indefinite, the message will not disappear until the user closes it. All right, so I will choose indefinite, and then after that I just write .setAction. Now this also accepts 2 parameters. The first one is text of the close button, and let's just give it some text for the close button. And I'll write here close, but you can of course write whatever you want. And the second is click listener. Now I'll need to define a new click listener, because when a user clicks the close button, the Snackbar message needs to be closed. So when I add click listener, Android Studio understands this is for close Snackbar message. And I don't need to write anything inside the click listener. And then after that, I will add here.show. And that should do it. Snackbar message is now ready, so let's run it. Okay, so the application opens, and I'll click the OK button, and the Snackbar message is displayed. And then when I click the close button, the Snackbar message disappears. So let's see what happens if I choose snackbar.length short. Let's run it again. So this time when I click the OK button, the Snackbar message displayed, and then after a little while it disappeared itself. So this is how Snackbar message works. And I think it's enough for this video. So I will see you in the next one.